How to screen share on TikTok Live. Going live on TikTok is an exciting way to connect with your audience, and screen sharing can take your broadcasts to the next level. Whether you're demonstrating an app, sharing a presentation, or showing off your gaming skills, screen sharing gives your viewers a front row seat to everything happening on your device. But how do you actually screen share during a TikTok Live? Let's break it down step by step so you can start showcasing your content like a pro. First, make sure your TikTok app is up to date. Only the latest versions support screen sharing features, so head to your app store and check for updates. Once you're set, open TikTok and tap the plus icon at the bottom. Select the Live option to begin setting up your broadcast. You'll notice different options for customizing your live session. Look for the Screen Share or Share Screen feature. This might be available as a button or an option within the live settings, depending on your device. Before you go live, double-check your device's permissions. TikTok will need access to record your screen, so make sure you grant all necessary permissions. Once you hit Go Live, you can start sharing your screen instantly. Everything on your device, apps, games, slideshows, or anything else, will be visible to your viewers in real time. Engage with your audience as you share your screen. Read their comments, answer questions, and encourage interaction. Remember, a successful live stream is all about connecting, so keep the energy high and your content engaging. And if you want to boost your TikTok presence even further, Famety is here to help. From followers and likes to comments and shares, we offer top-tier services to grow your social media accounts. Elevate your TikTok lives with Famety and watch your audience soar.